Silent live streams are a growing trend for reaching your 4,000 watch hours fast. This is a growing trend right now. Do you know that certain mistakes in live streaming can cost you your monetization or even cause your channel to be demonetized? Today we'll go over the top mistakes that creators are making with their silent live streams that could cost them their monetization or even their entire channel. So why do these live streaming mistakes matter? YouTube monetization policies are very strict, and breaking them, even if it's by accident, can cause a channel strike or demonetization. But the good news is, once you know what to look out for, you can avoid these mistakes and keep your channel safe. So if you're ready, let's get started. So the first one is playing copyrighted music. So if your live stream contains copyrighted music, this can cause you a strike, and it can also lead to demonetization, because it will be detected quickly. So in everything you are doing, try to use free music from YouTube's audio library or royalty-free music. Always double check before going live to make sure that there's nothing that's going to cause you any issues while live streaming. The second one is misleading thumbnails and titles. If your thumbnail or your title does not go with what is the actual content, this can be very misleading, and this is also violating the rules. So if you are live streaming and your thumbnail or your title does not go with what you are live streaming about, this can cause you a strike or even demonetization. So you have to try to avoid this. Be clear and accurate in your titles and in your thumbnails. Stick to simple representation of your live content. That way you are not going to be having any form of issues. Another mistake is failing to monitor the chat. Some people come to live stream, even in my own live streams, I've seen people coming to drop very terrible comments. You have to make sure you delete all these comments, or even protect your channel by filtering the offensive words. Some people just come to the live stream to start putting offensive words there, and this will be violating the rules. So it's either you protect your channel by allowing it to filter those offensive words, or you are there checking it. If you see any wrong words that are not right on your live stream, you make sure to delete them. Otherwise, this can affect your monetization or even demonetize your channel. Another mistake is not adhering to YouTube policies, like reusing content. So when you repeatedly use the same kind of content without any form of variation, this can cause a lot of issues. Don't repeat any content. Don't repeat any live stream you have done before. And even if you are going to repeat anything, make sure that there is a lot of variations in it. Otherwise, this can cause a flag to your channel, probably a strike or even demonetization, or not even monetizing at all. The last one is lack of audience engagement signals. So if your channel is mostly made up of silent live streams and they are not engaging content, like you are not putting out their normal content or long form content, it's just all about live stream, it may be seen as lacking in value. So you need to make sure that even as you are using this live stream as a strategy to get your 4,000 watch hour, keep pushing out your long form videos as well. So to keep your channel safe, make sure you are pushing out your long form content even as much as you are doing the silent live stream to increase engagement on your channel. So guys, to wrap it up, silent live streams can be a great tool to get your 4,000 watch hours, only if it is done right. But these mistakes can lead to demonetization or no monetization at all, and it can put your channel at great risk. So be mindful of your titles, use copyright-free content, avoid repetitive visuals, and balance your live streams with engaging videos. Always make sure to stay true to the YouTube guidelines. Use your silent live stream wisely. If you have not watched my video on how to use this silent live stream using the restream.io, you're going to see the video on my end screen. Please do well to watch it and use this. So if you have found this video very helpful, please give it a like and please subscribe for more growth tips like this. And until I see you in my next one, bye for now.